In this video, I'll walk you through how to read and navigate the dashboards in SKU Science. These dashboards give you a clear view of your forecast, actuals, and performance against your budget, all automatically updated with your data. If your fiscal year starts in January, the system aligns everything accordingly. From there, the dashboards are automatically populated with your data. You'll notice that SKU Science uses a consistent structure across three main areas: forecast addition, KPIs, and the dashboard. All three pull from the same underlying data, but they offer different perspectives. For example, in the dashboard, you're visually tracking performance. Let's take a look at the main dashboard. What you're seeing here is the total units forecasted and sold across all your products. Our fiscal year starts in January, and in this demo you'll see actuals up to August and forecast from September to December. And since we've uploaded a budget, you can easily compare your actual performance against it. This lets you quickly understand if you're on track, ahead, or falling behind, and take action as needed. Another powerful feature is the ability to aggregate data however you like, by product, family, or location, or other fields. Just select what you want, and the dashboard instantly recalculates everything. This helps you spot trends or issues at any level of your business. Next, we have the orders dashboard. If you provide your order book data, let's say from September, you'll see a forward-looking view of what's in the pipeline. For example, in October, you might see a gap. That's a signal to reach out to your sales team and push for more orders to hit your targets. Finally, there's a cumulative dashboard that combines actuals with orders booked, as well as actuals, plus the forecast through year end. This gives you a clear projection of where you'll land by the end of the year. And it's flexible. You can switch from viewing units to revenue and break it down by market, like seeing London's expected revenue through December. All of this is powered by a simple data upload. Once you upload your latest data, the dashboards update automatically. Thanks for watching.